that was like us at TVO.
Make sure you know the difference. Get there, November, we need you to vote. AHF has been around, ACQC will be around, our booth is over here. Feel free to get tested. We are in 50 countries, we're in 19 states, and we are here for you, regardless. So come on, now more than ever, it's important. Clap those fans, now more than ever.
Thank you, Deirdre.
Thank you.